Hi, hello. I'm Christopher Gutierrez from the land of Philippines. This is my second time here in Doctora Shuti at Handa Aesthetic Clinic, and then I undergo by rhinoplasty. My experience here is same like in the hospital, so I can stay at the one day, one night in the private room, and then I can discharge tomorrow. This is my post-op, 7 days post-op. So you can see it's swollen, bruising a little bit. But normally I feel comfortable and feel okay. And I'm so thankful for the staff, especially Monica, to assisting me every time. She always replying on my WhatsApp. And of course, Dr. Ashuti, thank you so much for caring me. I'm Handa baby maybe because this is my second time here since 2023 from the old clinic from Raha Garden and now in here at the new clinic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then I'll be right back maybe soon after 2 months or 1 month for the follow-up checkup.